Yeah, it's your boy Finesse, Baltimore City representative, Eastside certified to the fullest. You know, shout out to Bino, GQ, Money, KG, what it is, my nigga. You know what I mean? Yeah, it goes smooth, no amateur. Competition damager. Killing girlfriends easy, yeah, your lady love my stamina. Give her back shots, but I ain't talking no camera. Yeah, I give her pain, a body like James Pamela. Debonair status, dress game dapper. Please don't get confused, I am much more than a rapper. My book of rhymes real, get familiar every chapter. This is not a set, and Finesse is not an actor. I'm a message relayer, I am on a mission. Putting $1 million verses in a composition. I listen to the best, trying to up my competition, so I can put myself in a comfortable position. Sitting at the top, looking down thinking, a cold glass of top shelf liquor's what I'm drinking. Remembering the days when my pockets had Lincoln. Hit the corner in the bins while my red view's blinking. I finally done made it, a lot of people hate it, but I deserve the best, so you really can't debate it. I have a wicked shot and nobody got me faded. I can't wait to sit and say the day that I made it. The day that they mad at my haters. Mad cause they looking at a guy who's the greatest. Everything I'm rocking, yeah, my kicks be the latest. Yeah, my whips be the latest. All the women want gators. Me and my crew, sure they keep it true. Yeah, you see me nice button down cat blue. And you know I will give your girl the blues. Then she looking at her boyfriend like, who's you? I don't want you no more. How many rounds, yeah, I gave Shorty 4. Every day I be waking up at 4, going to my job, wonder what they got in store. I get my check, look at it, it's not enough. Yeah, I'm coming from the streets, yeah, my life was tough, but I'm talking about how I'm fly. Ladies walk by, got a glance at the guy. Caught your lady's eye, now I'm the apple of it. I ain't gonna lie, her body apple, I love it. It looks good every time she be dressing. I am a teacher, so I'm teaching her a lesson. I am a blessing, you must be confessing. Hot like shots from Smith & Wessons. Take it back like the Westerns. 1, 2, when it don't stop, it's the lesson that I'm teaching. Bars I be reaching, and you know I'm killing it. You feeling it, you healing it, you knowing how I really get. Yeah, I'm from the city where you know how I really get. Shots there really spit like tobacco, them little rascals. Spit shots at you last go. Niggas know I let that ass go. Niggas talking bullshit, I got the fast flow. Nah, excuse me, I want that fast dough. Money keep coming, yeah, girl keep coming. Freestyling, I'm just wildin' on the damn beat. I don't like LeBron or Wade, but sure they bringin' heat. I'm a mellow type fellow. Yeah, my boys on the blocks with the Knicks. Then they graduated to the bricks. Used to cop kicks, graduated to the whips. Now they doing it B.I.G. like Christopher Wallace, real B.I.G. When you see me, I'ma be ill, be the motherfucking man till I D.I.E. Till the shirt's reppin', R.I.P. Shout out to my man Ox, nigga, R.I.P. You forever in my mind, forever in my thoughts. I be going hard and I ain't never taking shorts.